Good morning, I'm here at Carlisle Events and we noticed this big beautiful truck, and it helps that I know this guy. So I'm here with Rick and Tammy and he's gonna tell us all about his beautiful truck.
It's a 2011 Roush F-150. First and only truck to win the Jack Roush Award. We were featured on Motor Trend TV, Low Car Show with Sam Adavi.
Amazing.
We're in Fastest Street Car magazine in September 2022. Did a feature on us for winning the NMRA Best of Show in Norwalk, Ohio. Won several awards at Carlisle. I think we're shooting for our 10th national win at Carlisle, so
really exciting.
Yeah.
So tell me all about it. What modifications have you done to it, and what makes it a Roush?
It's got the Roush Yates motor in it, cold air intake. It's got a CST tune on it from MPT Performance. It's got a 6-inch suspension lift, which is Roush is basing the RT6 off the 6-inch lift now. We drive it everywhere. We don't trailer it, and we got 73,000 miles on it. So,
what was your favorite show you've been to?
Yours. Yeah.
You do not have to do that.
Yeah, Mel does put on a great show. One of the best in Pennsylvania.
Thank you.
But yeah, I can't really say one of the best shows. We went to a show in Columbus last year, which was fun. We brought home a 6.5-foot trophy from there.
We had to take it apart.
Yeah, we had to tear it apart to bring it home. But
in a truck.
Well,
take it apart.
and I know Carlisle has a special place in your heart, because wasn't there a special question asked here a couple years ago?
We got engaged here in 2020, COVID year. So.
Well, that's awesome. Thank you for taking the time to talk to me, and it's clear this event still holds a special place in your heart.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you, guys.
All right, thanks, Mel.